How do you avoid common pitfalls in the car accident claims process in Florida? First of all, the biggest one is the statute of limitations. The statute of limitations for a regular injury that's not a wrongful death in a car accident in Florida is 2 years. If you go past that 2 years, your claim is barred. You can't bring a claim, it will get dismissed out of court. So the biggest pitfall is not taking action right away or within that 2 years to file a lawsuit to preserve your case. That's the biggest one we see. People call us after 3 or 4 years and they say, hey, look, or 5 years or 6 years, hey, I was injured in this accident a long time ago and I'm still having a lot of pain from it. I never did anything at the time, but I'm thinking about doing it now. A lot of times we take a look at that case and we say, hey, I'm sorry, but it's too late. You waited too long. The second pitfall goes right along with that one. It's waiting too long to get medical treatment. If you're in pain, go document it. When you are in pain after an accident and you wait 6 months to go see a doctor, the insurance company is going to rely on that heavily to lowball your claim and not give you fair value for your case. As soon as you feel like you've been injured and that you're in pain, you should go see a doctor, whether it's a hospital or an urgent care, your primary care physician, a chiropractor, it doesn't matter, but you need to go, as long as they can actually, do a good job taking care of you, but go document it. Tell them everything that hurts. Tell them how it happened and let them know that you need medical attention for that injury. The third pitfall is not hiring an attorney. So we have some people that call us after they've tried to go through the claims process alone. And one of our things that we say is never go it alone. The insurance company there is not there to take care of you. The insurance adjuster that you've been dealing with is not there to take care of you. They're there to save their company money. So if you try to go through it without an attorney, a lot of times we get a case like that and we look at it and we're like, oh, we could have done all these things differently. This is messed up. We know some doctor that you went and saw who's going to testify against you in court, who doesn't like these claims, doesn't like testifying for plaintiffs, doesn't like saying that you were caused an injury in the incident. So it's really important that you contact an attorney and not try to do a case yourself. There's so many little loopholes and intricacies and pitfalls that can happen if you try to do a case yourself that really is going to bring you value to hire an attorney, especially when you hire an attorney who's going to do it on a contingency fee, meaning there's no fees unless you win your case. So there's no risk to you to hire an attorney up front. Now, an attorney will get paid a fee if you're successful in your case. Another common pitfall after an accident is talking directly to an insurance company. The insurance company is there to gather facts and data to save the insurance company money, bottom line. So if you talk to an insurance company right after an incident, they may get you to say something just the wrong way, right? And a lawyer can help you understand how things need to be worded and questions that you shouldn't even be answering in the first place if they're not entitled to have you answer those questions. So we can look at a case and tell you like, hey, look, they shouldn't even be asking you this in the first place, or you don't need to answer these questions, because that can really harm your case down the road. It's like, you see on TV, anything you say can and will be used against you. Same deal with an insurance company. If you say it to an insurance company on a recorded statement or even a non-recorded line, they're not there to help you. It's really going to hurt your case. A common pitfall that people fall into also all the time is taking the first settlement offer an insurance company offers you. Their first offer is almost always not their best offer. And a lot of insurance companies come in right after an accident and offer you a very low payout number and get you to release your claim. 3 or 4 months later, you think, oh my gosh, I'm a lot more injured than I realized, but you've already released that claim for a couple $1,000s and you can't go back. So that's a big one too, is taking the first offer that they offer you, or taking a low ball settlement offer to be done with it. And you release your claim and you can never go back after them again to get actually fair compensation for your injury. So hopefully you don't or haven't fallen into any of the pitfalls that we've discussed today. But even if you have, or if you have any questions about it, we offer a free confidential case evaluation. Call us today with whatever questions you have about your car accident.